Was not it so disappointing to open your new iPad box and discover that one crucial thing was missing? The iPad manual might not seem like a very important piece of the puzzle when you are starting to use your new gadget, but in fact, it's the key to unlocking the full potential of your tablet. You don't just want a giant tablet, you want a gadget will allow you to do a lot of things with ease and convenience. And if you don't have a manual that will show you all the hidden things and tricks that an iPad has to offer, then it will be a difficult task to try and discover them on your own. So what do you do when you want to learn about your gadget but you don't have any manual to guide you? This is where the iPad video lessons come in. The iPad video lessons created by iPad Pete is your ticket to learning everything there is to learn about your new, chic device. By providing you with informational and entertaining videos that are easy to access anytime, anywhere, you will no longer be groping with the features of your iPad. Instead, you will be enjoying and using your iPad with utmost comfort and ease. Benefits of iPad video lessons. Learning about your new iPad with these video lessons and tutorials comes with a lot of benefits. It may sound like a complicated process, but it is in fact an easier and more elaborate way of learning. The videos will teach and demonstrate to you where to go, what to do, and guide you through each action so you don't find yourself lost, unlike with a manual where you must picture what exactly is being described. Another great thing about these video tutorials is that they allow you to learn and understand everything at your own pace. Easily go back and rewind the video to watch certain parts again. Aside from teaching you about the iPad features and hidden treasures, these video tutorials will even help you improve the quality of the way you do things through tips and tricks on how to maximize applications. It will guide you app by app, tap by tap in order to explore every last feature of the iPad. With these lessons, you will never have to be on default setting or ignore options ever again. Finally, these video lessons boast of 24/7 support. Whether at noon or in the middle of the night, simply access the video and gain answers to your questions at the click of a button. Buying the program also entitles you to a lifetime membership which will keep you updated on new video lesson uploads and updates. If you are interested in getting your own iPad video lesson, visit the iPad video lesson website today at the link below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel. See you and goodbye.